My tent becomes a graveyard for bugs because this light stays on. I don't know where the switch is, and like bugs just take this as a chill spot because it's good reflective and all that stuff, and then they just die in the morning. That's kind of depressing as I narrate it, but it's not like that. So I am in Khajuraho right now, and I'll be riding till Jabalpur. Where is Jabalpur? That's Jabalpur. And probably good morning, happy Diwali. Huh. And probably it's gonna be my last day tomorrow, and or today, I don't know. I'll ride. I'll miss I'll miss Splash, Thinking Monkey, and Ganesh Ji for sure. And I'll also click some pictures with them. If you want to check them out, just like find me on Instagram. That's also my Instagram ID. And I'll miss this place a lot. I'm going to have like my basic everyday breakfast. This is like my signature breakfast now. Puffed rice, poha, samosas, some raita and jalebi. This is like my everyday breakfast for like last 5-6 days. Hello. Very nice.
Oh my god.
आज ये आई थिंक दिवाली का मेला लगा है, एंड ये जगह यूजुअली एकदम डेड खाली रहती है, बट अभी फुल पावर भर गई है. Look at this. So this is another kind of water chestnut. This I don't have in my hometown, or I never tried it, but it's really tasty. It tastes like a sweet potato. And also just nearby somebody is tattooing. एक second side में भैया कैसे कितने का कर रहे हैं? हाँ बस एक लाइन बनवानी हो अगर तो
अच्छा है 10 रुपया कोई
है.
एक अच्छा 10 रुपया.
अच्छा एक अक्षर 10 रुपए का. अच्छा ठीक है,
बनवा लो.
बनवाते हैं थोड़ी देर बाद. आप बनवाने जा रहे हैं?
हाँ.
क्या बनवा रहे हैं आप?
देखो जो अच्छा लगेगा.
कहाँ पर? अच्छा ये पहली बार बनवाओगे?
नहीं बनवा के रखा है ये.
अच्छा. Look at these guys. Looks like they're ready to attack. Like Khajuraho is a very small town kind of, and around it it's like total countryside. The way things used to happen like 20 years back, or maybe 30, 40, I was not there, I don't know much. That's how still things are here. I think that's a peahen. Oh yeah. I don't even know that it's visible or not. Oh okay, it's a gang of boys, huh? They don't know that we are from the same gang, and they think that I'll be scared. Nah. Something really interesting that if you run close to the water, something gets out and starts to run and gets inside like instantly. Being such a kid, let me check out with throwing a rock. Okay, nothing happened. But these guys are on the edges and they just run. Do tell me if you know what it is. Oh, okay, I think they're toads. I have some company now, but I think I should better leave. Traveling alone. Don't know what to say next. This is kind of a Diwali celebration here in Khajuraho, and I think they do this in more parts of India. It's just that I haven't seen it, but it looks pretty though. So he's one of my friends I've made here. Okay, he's kind of a local guide, and he was chilling with his friends. One of his friends thought that I am a foreigner. That happens really often, okay? And he came running to me. He thought like, if I'm a foreigner, I'll give him some good business. And then he told him that, "Arey, he's local, he's from Varanasi."
Yes.
His level of disappointment was intense because he was like, "Ah, Indian, okay." Because you see, Indians, they don't tend to give a lot of business to these local guides.
Yes.
But foreigners, they spend on this thing. So his level of disappointment is like, "Oh fuck, he's Indian. Just let him pass by. No money here, huh?" So he's Ricky Martin. That's what the local people and foreigner people call him.
Local betting hall.
That's his house. Namaste. And
Water well is there.
and he lives in a very countryside area of Khajuraho. And I'm glad I could come to some place like this, because you see, mostly at the touristy places people just visit the touristy stuff, and then this whole part is just missed, and the real life, the actual life happens in these regions here. That's how Khajuraho, the local people of Khajuraho live. So to understand that, you have to come to these parts of the places, and I mostly travel for this part. I like the touristy stuff. Cliche sometimes is so much fun, and that's how it becomes cliche. But then like the back roads are always fun than the main roads. That's what I think. For some people it's different, and I also respect them. It's absolutely fine, but this is what I like. धन्यवाद यहाँ पे ले आने के लिए.
स्वागत है आपका.
खजुराहो में.
Hardly welcome from my heart.
So this is the entrance to the most amazing kind of architecture and temples I've ever seen in my life. These are the temples of Khajuraho. The architecture is based on like Kama Sutra, and they have amazing art. I'll show you. Like it's not just about sex. It's like it's like they have painted the most intense feature of life, which is like sex, right? I don't have the right words. I know somebody who does. I'll Now comes like the intense stuff. This kind of structure is really common, like touching boobs from the behind. That's a blowjob. Some 69 and I don't know exactly what this is, but then yeah. And you see, like, people think of Indian culture as they didn't have lesbians in it. Look at this. 2 girls kissing each other. And a lot of more stuff. I think at some places animal would also be fucking like people. Oh yeah. See, that's what I was talking about. That's like the fucking a horse. So you see, in like these days, the guys without fats, they think of it as like Hinduism didn't had like sex at all, and sex is taken as taboo. But think of this civilization who is advanced so much that they plan to like build structures around sex, and that's how advanced the Hindu culture is. But like now people have made it like no words. I don't know you can see this structure or not clearly, but I don't have zoom in my camera, but I could explain you what's going on there. So like 4 people are there, and one is like bowed down, 2 people trying to fuck her, and then the rest of 2 giving hand jobs. And no matter what you could think of in like sexual positions or any possible thing your mind could imagine, you would find it here. It's like super awesome. I love it. I'm standing at the exact door of this temple, and I'd show you something really, really interesting. Look at that. So these bats. Whoa! Fuck. They were like, they would go like fingers away from my ears, and then that felt really weird. Like a lot of them are there. Somebody killed 2 of these dogs, and these guys, they bought like a cardboard and a rug for the dog. These guys are so nice.